Hey coaches, so I'm making this video from a really cool location to show you that I'm living the life, but I had to work for it, an upfront investment of time and a little bit of money and be unshackled. I want to make this video to help you maybe find where you're going wrong and to correct it immediately, like right now. So all I ask of you is that you love learning like intrinsically so that you're not looking at things to just make excuses about, but looking at things to be like, all right, let's learn and figure it out because I love learning. So now that you can see where I'm on the ship, I'm out in the ocean, you can hear it, I'm going to duck away inside my cabin because I want this to be an extremely serious and helpful video for you. Okay? So, number one, how long ago did you get into this business? A few days, a few months, a few years? And have you made reasonable progress in reasonable time? Now, for most of us, including myself, I don't think I'm at a place where I should be after doing this for 10 years. I'm at a place where I'm free, I got my time freedom, I can go on a trip like this and I can do anything, and my bills are covered thanks to this opportunity. My bills are covered and I've got the time freedom, so that's awesome. But still, I'm not at a place where I think I should be after 10 plus years of doing this. So I'm in this with you. I'm not pointing fingers. I want you to know that, coaches. So look at the last 30 days. Get a calendar out and put a big red circle around those days that you did the profit-producing activities. And if you're being honest, for most of you, I don't know if there's going to be any red circles, or there might be some, but there's going to be some big gaping holes. In other words, you're not consistently doing the profit-producing activities. Look at the cover photo for what I'm talking about. You'll see them. And to just review them quickly here, it's going to be inviting people to look at what you've got to see if it would be a good fit for them, posting some kind of attractive content, and developing new contacts. And at the end of the day, it's like, did you get people in front of the video, the presentation, the information to, at least look at it? That has to be unequivocally yes, every day. People are getting in front of it, and you're asking them what they liked most about what they saw or heard, and if it would be a good fit for them, and if they can see this as being something worthwhile to help them repeat back to them whatever they said their goals are. So that's what you need to do on a daily basis. So some of you are very busy working, but you're not doing those things. You're not doing you're not doing profit-producing activities, so you need to start doing profit-producing activities. And for some of you, you're not really doing anything. You're still a coach on paper or whatever, but you're not behaving like one. You're not engaged in this at all. So it's going to be a little different for you, but the common denominator is going to be, are you or aren't you consistently doing profit-producing activities? If you're not consistently, then I recommend you spend 80% of your time on personal development that helps you with your mindset, because there's something that's not right here. That's you're not motivated and inspired to show up every day to do what you need to do, the profit-producing activities. And for those of you that are showing up every day to do the profit-producing activities, but you're still not making reasonable progress in reasonable time, I want you to spend 80% of your time on more mechanical stuff. How to invite, how to ask people to look at your deal, how to close, how to expand your contacts, magnetic attraction, how to make more attractive posts, how to do offers and things, whatever it is. You need to spend most of your time on the mechanics and, just a little bit of time on good mindset training. So 80-20, and be honest with yourself with where you fall on that. If you're lacking the motivation to show up every day to do the right activities, then the 80-20 for you is 80% personal development, your philosophy, how you think, 20% mechanics. And for those of you that are showing up doing profit-producing activities every day but not making reasonable progress in reasonable time, then your 80-20 is going to be 80% mechanics, how-to type stuff, and 20% great ideas, personal development, mindset training. So that's important. And show up every freaking day. And not just for 30 days. I just, picked a time window just to expose to you where you might be going wrong and what you need to change, where you need to draw a line in the sand, and recognize all of those things. So I hope that helps you out a lot, coaches. Lean on your team. Don't do it alone. That's stupid. It's dumb. It's like if you want to, if you want to fail on purpose, then in a way that's temporary. You want to fail in a way that's backwards instead of failing forward. You disconnect from your team. Don't lean on us. Don't ask for help. You just try figuring it out yourself. So lean on your team and be involved in the community, because when you enroll people, you want something to plug them into where they feel like they're part of a community too. So you need to live that, right? Right. And be on auto direct, auto ship, consume something, and be a product of the product, so you have your own customer experience to draw from, which goes a lot towards creating attractive content in the hopes that some unnamed individual is going to write you and say, hey, tell me about that thing you're talking about. That sounds cool. All right. Well, I'll go back out here to end this video. Get your time freedom, your health, your wealth, your time freedom. Bring as many people as you can with you. And do the profit-producing activities every day for the next, I don't know, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year. Do it every day from here to whenever. Long enough to set yourself up with a beautiful 6-figure residual passive income. However long that takes, who cares? You're here anyway. 1 dash is all you're going to get between your birth date and your death date. Make it worth it. Say yes and yes to health and wealth and personal time freedom. Bye for now, coaches. And I've got endless trainings on my tombirkenmeyer.com website too. And let's celebrate our victory together by taking our own trips somewhere, some cruise or some tropical island destination within our own group. That'd be a lot of fun, our own community. So let's do it. Let's get there together, okay?